I've got these beautiful butterfly stickers from Temu that I'm going to be using today, and you get quite a few in a pack, and you get 2 of each of the designs in there. There's some lovely ones to choose from, so I'm going to be using these today. So let's put those to one side for a minute. And I've got this tray. It comes in a set of 3 different sizes. I can't remember if it was Temu or Amazon, but I'll link that in the description below. And I've mixed up 300 ml of Apex High Gloss resin and given that a good stir for about 3 minutes, making sure to scrape round the sides. So that's all ready. I've got some Arteza mica powders to use. I've got ice blue, amethyst purple and light plum. So we're going to be using those today. So I'm just going to split up some of this resin into 3 parts for my colours. So some in there, in there, in there. Let's just put a bit more in those, I think. Right, that will do for those. Just going to pop those to one side for a minute. And I've got some of this, they're like little tiny gold nuggety chip things. So I'm going to be using those. So I'm just going to put some of the clear resin into a pot. And I'm going to mix in some of these gold chippings into there, because I want these to go around the outside of the tray. So let's get those mixed in. Just going to give those a mix, and then I'm going to pour that just round the rim of the tray. I don't mind if they sort of spread over a little bit. We're just going to get a good amount in there to start with. And then we'll start mixing up some of the colours. So that's those done. Let's just put a bit more down this edge here. And give that a good squish down. Might as well finish off what I've got in there. Use all of those. Off you get. In you go. A little bit left. No point in wasting that little bit left there. We'll get those in there. Right, that's those done. Just going to give those, I'll try and get as many back to the rim as I can, but I don't, oh, what's that in there? That bit of blue off my stick, is it? Right, let's just get most of those to the edge, but if they move, they move. No biggie. Right, let's just pop that to one side for a minute, and then we can get some colours mixed into here. So let me just clean off my glove and get another stirry stick. Right, so I'm going to put some of the light, what's it called? Light plum. Put a bit of that in that one. And the amethyst purple. Some of that in there. And the ice blue. I love this colour. You know me and my blues. I do like my blues. And then some of that in there. And we give these a good mix. So you probably don't need to see me mixing colours, but I'm just going to give it a good mix in, mix it in thoroughly, and then we'll be back when these are all ready and mixed together. Right, they're all mixed up now, so I'm just going to use the Claire's Crafty Corner technique and then just chuck it in. Just randomly pour that in there. So all the different colours. Just gonna put them in. Nice and random. No set pattern or anything. Just gonna plop them in there. Nice and simple. And just seeing what they do. So, a bit more of each colour. And then we'll be done. Get that topped up and get a nice dome on there. What haven't I used so much? Shall I use a bit more purple? I think we can fit a little bit more in. And a little bit more of the pink, I think. Can I use up the last of the blue? I think there's still a bit more room in here. I can scrape out the blue. Right, so that's that all done. I'll just, oh no, I can't go around the edges because of the thing, so I'm just going to give a quick torch over the top, get rid of any surface bubbles, and then we're just going to leave this to do its thing, and then I'll find something for these little leftover bits. So I'll see you when this is all cured. This is all cured up now, so let's pop this out and see how it's looking. Looks nice on this side. Let's hope it's looking just as nice on the other side. Pop your moulds back in the right way. You don't want to leave them in the wrong way too long. Right, let's have a look. Oh, okay. That's not too shabby. Which way up do we like it? I don't think it matters really, does it? We're going to put some stickers on it anyway. So, right, let's get these on there, shall we? Right, so I'm just going to peel the backing off of that, and I want this one to be right smack in the middle. Should have measured it really, shouldn't I? But okay, let's go for there. Pop that down. How's that looking against those colours? That looks all right, doesn't it? And then these two, I think I want to put them like that because the shape of these will follow that curve nicely. So let's do that, shall we? Let's do this one first and pop that one down in there. Give that a good rub down. And these are just stickers, they're not the DTF where you have to take off the top layer. These don't have a top layer. So that's that side. And then let's put this one on this side. I did fold a bit over already because I knew that'd take me long to take apart. And then we're going to put that one there. Stick that one down. Give that a good rub down. So that's how that's looking. I'm just going to get a bit of tissue and just give that another rub over. And because these are just stickers and they're not the DTF stickers, they're going to need a top coat. So I've already mixed up some more Apex resin. So I've got that in there, giving that a good stir, making sure to stir around all the edges. And we're just going to put a thin coat, a top coat on there. And then I'm just going to push that out to the edges. Give that a little helping hand. So while I'm just finishing off this, I'd just like to say a huge thank you to everyone that subscribes to my channel and sends me a little comment and clicks that like button. It does help our channels to grow by doing that, so I appreciate you all for doing that. And if you're not subscribed yet but you'd like to, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. So that's that done. Just want to pop any, I can't actually see any, but I'm just going to give it a good quick blast with the long neck lighter just to pop any bubbles that might be there. So I'm just going to leave that to cure, and you won't see any difference from that. It's not worth me coming back just to say, oh, that's cured. So thank you ever so much for watching my video today, and stay tuned for the pictures at the end, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now. Crafting on a houseboat, oh so free. Me and my husky on the open sea. Resin molds and hand light as a breeze, creating treasures with such ease. Waves are rocking softly, makes me smile. Colors swirl and blend in endless style. Sunshine through the window sets a scene. Houseboat life is like a living dream.